Hello.
Where are we going?
To the beach. Where are you going?
Also to the beach.
It'll be fun.
Indeed.
Hope to see you there.
Off-campus students at the Masters University gathered last Saturday evening at Dockweiler State Beach to fellowship around a fire. This was the second annual beach bonfire night.
An event like this is valuable because it helps us all get to know one another and to talk to each other in ways that we really can't or don't often on campus.
Throughout the evening, some students stood at the shore while others reclined near the fire pit. Morgan Fay, the woman's off-campus resident director, brought burgers and fries from In-N-Out Burger for dinner. After the group lit the fire, the students roasted s'mores and socialized.
So we specifically do it in March because it's cold, so you have to be around the fire, which means fellowship has to happen.
Near the end, the group sang worship songs such as Amazing Grace and As the Deer.
I'm just thankful that it's another good turnout like last year.
I am Jeremiah Yonemura reporting from Los Angeles, California. Fun time,
I had a great time.
and what are we doing now?
We're going home.